Take a hard look at yourself right now. You're not broken, you're overstimulated. Screens, late-night browsing, the endless loop of quick hits. They've rewired your brain to crave the easy path instead of the powerful one. That's why you feel drained, scattered, and trapped. You clicked this video because some part of you already knows. You've been living in the same cage I built for myself. Every night you swear, "last time," and every morning you wake up disappointed again. And slowly, without noticing, you stop recognizing yourself. Because when you lose the war inside your own head, you don't just feel weak, you feel hollow. No one ever told you this straight. So hear it now. You don't have a willpower problem. You have a hijacked reward system. And if you don't reclaim it now, your tomorrow will look exactly like yesterday. Over the next few minutes, I'm handing you the precise system to retake command of your focus, your drive, and your future. Stay until the end, because this could be the moment you stop folding and start becoming unstoppable. 1. The reset. You reach for your phone every few minutes. Clips, stories, mindless swiping. Your brain is drowning in cheap stimulation. Until you fix that, impulse will keep running the show. For the first 7 days, 0 aimless scrolling, 0 social media binging, 0 entertainment overload. Only work, reading, and silence. Your neural pathways need to remember what boredom feels like, so normal life becomes rewarding again. This isn't a cleanse. It's a declaration of war on the version of you that keeps surrendering. Boredom is the gym where discipline gets strong. 2. Visual diet. What your eyes consume, you become. If your feed is packed with triggering images, suggestive posts, and clickbait faces, you're programming yourself to stumble every single day. Unfollow every account that lights up the wrong circuits. Clean your explore page like your future depends on it, because it does. Clear your watch history. Block the sites that keep pulling you back. Your mind is storage. Garbage in, garbage out. For 1 week, only consume content that builds you up, and watch how the pressure starts dissolving on its own. 3. Burn the fuel. Exhaust your body until it has nothing left to give. When energy sits unused, impulse takes the wheel. The solution? Tire your muscles so completely that there's no gas left for obsession. Heavy workout in the morning, sport, running, or hard movement in the evening. When your body is spent, your brain stops wandering. Redirect that life force into the gym, not into regret. 4. Swap, don't fight. When an urge hits, trying to crush it head-on is exhausting. Replacing it is faster. The second you feel it, splash cold water on your face. Drop and do 20 push-ups. Step outside. Call someone real. An urge is a wave. If you wait 10 to 15 minutes, it will crash and retreat. But if you sit with it, start scrolling, or think, just a quick peek, you're done. Don't treat urges as enemies. Treat them as messengers. They're telling you there's energy inside you right now. Your job is to aim it somewhere useful. The choice is always yours. 5. The boredom shield. An empty mind is a playground for the wrong things. Most slips don't come from massive waves of desire. They come from being alone with nothing to do. You're at home, quiet, and suddenly the thought appears. That's why you need an anti-boredom plan before the quiet moment arrives. Keep a reading list ready. Start learning that skill you've been avoiding. Build something on the side. When stillness hits, you should already know your next move. An idle mind is a rented room for regret. A busy mind is a fortress. Stop leaving the door open. So ask yourself right now, who are you really? If your answer is, I'm the one who always gives in, then you will keep giving in. But the moment you decide, I am the one who commands my body and mind. The entire battle shifts. Self-control isn't magic. It's the foundation of everything. If you won't lead yourself, the world will lead you, and it won't be kind. Lust doesn't expose your flaw. It exposes your truth. So decide right here. And if you're ready to become the man you were meant to be, comment below, "I'm ready." Before you leave, hit like. That's how you tell the algorithm you mean business. And subscribe to the Ronin protocol for more.